I'm going to juggle three completely different objects. Each object is more dangerous than the one which precedes it. Object number one, something which you laypersons might refer to as one of those bowling pin thingies. Ooh, everybody, ooh. Come on, it's the same in Spanish. Ooh. Object number two, the object of moderate danger. Ah. Or in Dutch. Object number three. Wow. Obviously, some of you folks doubt that it's dangerous. This is the dumbest part of my show, by the way. You people are sick. Just trying to point out that even a plunger could be sharp enough to split a hair. Oh, now you're offended. All right. I'm sure an intelligent audience like you folks can appreciate how difficult it must be to juggle three objects of such different color. I'll begin by balancing the club on my face. I will then throw the machete, throw the chainsaw, and then run like hell. First, a brief warm-up. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Now, a few tricks. Behind the back with the club. Behind the back with the chainsaw. Finally, behind the back with the club again. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh. Now, I know there's a lot of cynics out there thinking, sure, Dave, the machete looks sharp, but where's my proof? Well, I ask you this. If it weren't sharp, could I do this?